In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a small multiples chart in Power BI and why these charts are incredibly beneficial for visualizing your data. Small multiples, sometimes also known as trellis charts, allow you to compare multiple variables or segments side by side within the same visual space, making them an excellent choice for exploring and discovering patterns across different categories. Our journey begins by launching Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas, a robust platform where you will craft your visuals, ensuring your narratives are beautifully communicated through data. Once Power BI Desktop is open, it's crucial to start by importing your data. To do this, you'll need to have your dataset ready, ideally with a comprehensive set of variables, including the links to any photos or images you plan to include. The import process typically involves navigating to the Home tab, selecting Get Data, and choosing your data source. Remember, your data preparation here is foundational to creating insightful visuals later. Next, you'll want to focus on the visualization pane, where the magic truly happens. This is where Power BI offers a variety of chart types and visual templates. Scroll through the options and select the type of visualization that suits your data best. A small multiples chart is ideal for comparing trends across multiple series, so it might be particularly useful for datasets featuring categories over time or different segments within a larger group. This choice will depend on your data structure and the story you wish to tell. Now, it's time to get hands-on with your data. You'll need to drag the specific dataset you intend to showcase into the small multiple section of your chosen visualization. This feature splits the chart into a grid of panels, each representing a different segment of your data. It provides a coherent way to display the same chart for multiple categories, making comparisons easier and more intuitive. Keep in mind that arranging your data thoughtfully at this stage helps maximize the analytical potential of your chart. Finally, take some time to customize your chart's appearance and adjust its settings to enhance clarity and impact. Power BI offers a wide range of formatting options that allow you to tweak everything from colors and labels to axes and legends. These finishing touches are what transform a basic chart into a compelling visual story. And there you have it, a powerful small multiples chart in Power BI. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to create a dynamic and visually engaging chart, but also gained a potent tool for digging deeper into your data. Small multiples simplify the complexities of multidimensional data by visually organizing it, enabling you to spot trends and anomalies at a glance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your data with Power BI.